Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add a PDF into Google Slide. So let's go to the browser and right here Google Slide, press enter, slides, click the first link and click on this go to slides. I'm starting from blank, so clicking on this. Here's your presentation or slide. You can add pictures by clicking on plus. Okay, so I'm choosing the first one and trying to add a PDF picture here. So if you go to insert button here, you will not find any insert a PDF option. You will find a link. Okay, so if you have a link of PDF, to make a link you have to go to Google Drive first, then you have to upload that file into that Google Drive and make a link, then you can adjust the link here. But I'm showing you how to add a PDF here. So you can add a PDF by making it picture. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a PDF in picture first. Go to second tab, just right here PDF to JPG to jpg.com, enter. Sorry, not this one. Simply write here PDF to JPG and press enter. Then choose this one, PDF to jpg.net, this one, and you have to choose a file. So choose a file, go to the option and choose a PDF you want to upload, this one. Okay, here's the quality, what quality you want to upload, what should be the picture quality. I mean, this is good, I think. So if you click on start convert to PDF, it will converting. Conversion ready. Now you can download a picture from here. Okay, so let's download. Show in folder, or you can download 2 pictures or 3 pictures, that's up to you how many pictures you want to add in PDF. Or if you want to add full PDF, then just download full pictures, but there's too many pictures. I'm just showing you for the basic tutorial, so I'm downloading 3 pictures. I'm going show in folders and copying it, cut it and make it paste it to another folder to locate it fast. Okay, 1 2 3. So I'm gonna put this PDF now into Google Slide. Okay, let's see. I'm going back to presentation or Google Slide. Now you can see here insert image, upload image from computer. After that you will have to go to that file location and choose the PDF picture what you have converted, like this, and it will be here like this. You can resize it or you can make it big, that's up to you. Hold on. Okay, if you want to add another picture, go to and you can go here, same, insert image, upload file from computer, then just upload your second picture. It will be here like this. If you want to make it zoom. So let's make it another shape. You can crop it by like this. You can make it big. Let's add last picture. Insert image, upload computer. Simple. Okay guys, so after that, how you can download it? Go here, share, or you can share it to anyone. Choose any name and click on save. After that, you will find a box where you have to put the email address whom you want to share with. Like you just choose an email address and click on send. Your work has sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can insert a PDF into Google Slide. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.